Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. In front of me is a Premium Guard oil filter which we just took off of a 2020 Honda Civic 1.5 liter turbocharged. This is the first time that vehicle has ran Valvoline Restore and Protect. And before that, the owner ran the previous oil for 15,000 miles. There were a few life events that caused them to miss it, and we're using the Restore and Protect to clean up the engine. Now the vehicle has about 69,700 miles on it today. This filter has about 4,000 miles in it, so we're gonna go ahead, cut it open, and see what it looks like. That's what the inside of the base plate looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but... oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but... wow. I will say, my brother's 192,000 mile Nissan Sentra. When I cut open the filter for that, it wasn't even this bad. I mean, look at all that carbon deposits. But let's see here. Let's scrape our finger here. Wow. Guys, look at that. Very sandy. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, you can see a little deposits like that right there. I mean, it's kind of like that throughout the entire filter. It has a very sandy texture. So I think if I were to summarize this, yes, the filter's dirty, but I think it's doing its job like any filter should in removing all of these deposits that ended up in the engine. And this is just after, like, I don't know, 4,000 miles, you guys. It's not like we're leaving it in there for a long time. Look at that. This all came from the filter. The Valvoline Restore and Protect is working its magic. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.